Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode on Mighty Mall Shop Creations. Today, I will be showing you my 1977 Ford Pinto by AMT. Without further ado, let's roll the intro. So, to start off, this will mark my first episode of the series Back in the Box, where I try to either rebuild or show my lost projects that I've put back in the box because of some failed attempts. So this is a side project. I haven't done any updates on this because that I've been doing whilst building other models, like waiting for paint to dry for my AMT 65 Pontiac GTO. The reason why this kit was put back in the box was, one, because I cut off the pins to hold the hood up because I mistook them for flash. Second, I used Duplicolor paint and it bubbled and peeled. And third, I got really frustrated because pieces weren't fitting together properly. But with a couple years of experience on my belt, I decided to take it back out the box and try it again. So that's what I did. Now, these decals that you see on the car currently don't come with the kit. They're a Polar Lights kit. I'll pop it up right now. It's like a VW Beetle kit. So I robbed those off of that. And I think the only actual decal from the kit is on the dashboard. The rear bumper is the custom bumper because the taillights wouldn't go into the body because the instructions misled me. I'm sure we've all had that happen. So I improvised and put a custom bumper on it, and I think it looks probably better than the original Pinto. I did the chrome with the chrome paint markers. I love that I used the blue tinted glass. I think it really gives it that Coca-Cola pop. The engine, as you can see on the mirrored reflection of the turntable, it's green. And I don't think Pinto engines are green, or I haven't checked. But that's because when I started the kit, I painted it with this crappy Tester's green hand paint, and it was really bad, so I kind of wanted to add some of that nostalgia to it. So things that I had to fix during the kit was obviously the hood pins, which I don't know if you can see that, but I'll put an arrow showing it right now. Right there and there. I put decals on the seats, give it that Coca-Cola taste. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how this back-in-the-box build turned out. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments, and if you think I should do more of these back-in-the-box videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and turn on the post notifications because we will have some cool stuff coming up. Promise, you don't want to miss it. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.